Okay, so we are looking at lines and two-dimensional shapes, 2D shapes, two-dimensional shapes. We're dealing with these topics that are under geometry or in geometry. A line is an infinitely long object with no width, no depth. Such is considered a line in geometry. A line could also be seen as the distance between 2 points, point A, point B. The distance between 2 points is also known as a line, and sometimes the line could exceed the 2 points. So you have it exceeding the point at A, exceeding the point at B. That is called a line. We are actually looking at calculations that have to do with lines in geometry. So I want to start with a straight line. Sum of angles on a straight line. Sum of angles on a straight line is 180. It is believed that a straight line has a perpendicular line, and on one side we have 90 degrees, the other side we also have 90 degrees. So if you add up the two parts, you'll be having 180 degrees. So the sum of angles on a straight line is 180 degrees. How do we apply this in solving mathematical problems? How do we apply this in solving mathematical problems? If you're given a problem of this type, a straight line in this form, assuming here is 120 degrees, and you're asked to find x. You're asked to find x in this type of problem. It's simple. You should always recall that the rule states that sum of angle on a straight line is 180 degrees. So if I should add up x to 120 degrees, I should be having 180 degrees. So mathematically, I'm going to write x plus 120 degrees is equal to 180 degrees. So we are going to make x the subject of the relation, meaning 120 will be taken out from this part to the other part where we have 180 degrees. And if it happens that way, plus 120 going to the other part will become minus 120. You can also say subtract 120 from the both sides. So I'll be having x plus 120 degrees minus 120 degrees is equal to 180 degrees minus 120 degrees. If you do that, plus 120 will take out 120 degrees minus 120 degrees. And so we have x is equal to 180 degrees minus 120. That will give us 60 degrees. So the part that is unknown in this given geometric problem is 60 degrees. So the unknown part is going to be 60 degrees. So here is 60 degrees. We could have other problems solved also. Another example, assuming you're given this to solve. Here you have 70 degrees, and here you have maybe 50 degrees, for example. I might not be accurate in the measurements of the angles, and you also find x degree. The rule still remains the same. Sum of angle on a straight line is 180 degrees. So it is believed that if I add up x plus 70 plus 50, I should have 180. So mathematically, I'm going to write x plus 50 degrees plus 70 degrees is equal to 180 degrees. X plus 120 will be equal to 180 degrees, and x will be 180 minus 120 degrees. So x will be equal to 60 degrees. So here is also 60 degrees. So in our next other class, we shall be dealing with problems that are all through algebra. We will not be adding numbers to them. I'm going to see how we'll be solving such type of problems in our next other class. Thank you.